Shelby says, "Hi Jeff, quick question. I wanted to confirm that the Ninja Plus videos are still good resources to use. I love listening to Bob Monette's lectures and learn the material really well from him. However, the videos do look a little dated, so I wanted to make sure that this information is accurate and is up to date to rely on during my studies." So when Ninja CPA Review, my company, acquired the Bisk CPA Review assets from Thomson Reuters, part of the package were the Bisk CPA Review videos. And so I put them out there. I said, "Hey guys, what do you think about these?" A little bit long in the tooth. They're shot in 2015. What do you guys think? Well, people love them, especially Bob Monette's videos. The other videos, people are kind of like, I don't know, but people really love Bob Monette's videos. And he teaches a little bit in every single course. The problem is I can't update them. And so you have things like revenue recognition come out. Well, when revenue recognition came out, the only thing I could do was I could update the Ninja Notes and like the Ninja Blitz videos, and obviously the Ninja Book too. But I couldn't update the Ninja Plus. It's like Ninja Plus Bisk. See what I did there? I couldn't update those videos, so I had to pull them. And there's a couple of things that I have to apologize for, like extraordinary items that's still in FAR. Well, I think pretty much everyone knows there's no extraordinary items, and it's not going to mess you up on the exam. And 2 years in, hasn't been any issues. So yeah, they are a little long in the tooth, and I will leave them up for as long as people still say that they enjoy them. So hope that's helpful.